Welcome to the archive here at Haynes Motor Museum. Now, you may know us for our extensive car collection, but we also have this incredible historic archive filled with over 70,000 items. Books and magazines, photographs, clothing, and of course, we have a huge collection of Haynes manuals. And we're going to take a closer look at some of these items today. This is the small objects room here in the archive, and these items play a really important role in informing the interpretation around the cars in the museum. One of the items we recently used in the museum is this set of AA keys. Now, back in 1920, every AA member was given a set of these keys, and this meant that they can open any AA box across the country and make telephone calls free of charge. Those of you that have visited the museum before may have noticed that we've got some model replicas of some of the museum cars. Now, these were created by bespoke model maker David Hayward, and whilst not all of them are displayed in the museum, we've got the rest of them here in the archive. So there's a total of around 40, and we're going to take a closer look at one of those today. So this is a 1:12 scale replica of the 1946 MGTC, and you can see it's incredibly detailed, and these can take David anywhere from 6 weeks right through to 3 months just to make one of these. We've got a vast collection of motoring magazines here in the archive, and one of our oldest magazines is this incredible The Motorcycle magazine, dating all the way back to 1907. It really is incredible flicking through this magazine and looking at the adverts and seeing at how they compare at today's motoring magazines. So I hope you've enjoyed this sneak peek into the archive here at Haynes Motor Museum, and whilst unfortunately it's not open to the public currently, we hope that one day we can welcome you all to have a look.